Hello and welcome to our video on how to make the perfect sandwich. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need. 2 slices of bread. Your choice of protein, such as turkey, ham, chicken, or tofu. Leafy greens, such as lettuce or spinach. Tomatoes. Cheese, optional. Your choice of condiments, such as mayonnaise, mustard, or avocado. Now let's get started on the recipe. Lay 1 slice of bread on a clean surface. Spread your condiments of choice on the bread. Place your protein on top of the condiments. Add the leafy greens and tomatoes on top of the protein. If you'd like, add a slice of cheese on top. Place the other slice of bread on top and press gently to secure. Heat a pan over medium heat and place the sandwich in the pan. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until the bread is toasty and the cheese is melted, if using. Remove from heat and slice in half if desired. Now for some tips and tricks to make the perfect sandwich. Experiment with different types of bread to change up the flavor and texture. Try adding in some sliced onions or peppers for added crunch and flavor. Instead of cooking the sandwich in a pan, try grilling it for a smoky flavor. For a healthy twist, try using hummus or avocado as a condiment instead of mayo. And there you have it, the perfect sandwich. We hope these tips and tricks help you create a delicious and satisfying meal. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.